Use any order, any grouping to write equivalent expressions by combining like terms. Then verify the equivalence of your expression to the given expression by evaluating for the values given in each problem. In number 10, we have 3 times 6a. This means multiply 3 by 6a, which is 18 because 3 times 16 is 18, and we still have the a. We are going to evaluate both of these expressions with a being 3. The first expression, we're going to do the innermost parentheses first. 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 times 3 is 54. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 more makes 5. On the other side, 18 times 3 is 54, so they are equivalent to each other. 11. 5d times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so the answer should be 20d. Evaluating the first by when d equals -2, and then the second when d equals -2. 5 times -2 is -10, and -10 times 4 is -40. 20 times -2 is -40. These are equivalent to each other, so 5d times 4 is equal to 20d. 5 times -2 would be -10, so 5r times -2 is -10r. R is going to be set equal to -3. -10 times -3. That would be 10 times 3, which is 30, and they have the same sign. Since both of them are negative, we get a positive answer. 5 times -3 is -15, because 5 times 3 is 15, but they have different signs. 15 times 2 is 30, and they have the same signs, so the answer is positive. And these are equal to each other, so 5r times -2 is equal to -10r. 3b times 8. 3 times 8 is 24, so 3b times 8 would be 24b. Plus, -2 times 7 would be -14, but we have -2 times 7c, so that is -14c. You might also write this as a minus instead of plus a negative. Either one is correct. Then we have to replace the b with a 2 and the c with a 3. Is the original expression, and then our red one is the expression that we just formed. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Now we need to do the 7 times 3 because that's the innermost parentheses left. -2 times 21 is -42. And 48 minus 42 is 6. 24 times 2 is 48. 14 times 3 is 42. And 48 minus 42 is also 6. We cannot combine these two pieces because this is a different variable than this piece. That would be like bananas and cherries. You can't combine them to make cherry bananas. They have to be two separate fruits, just like they are two separate variables.